Everyone down here at Turnersville Jeep Dodge Ram Chrysler. Morning. A little brisk, but not too windy. Although that's saying otherwise. At least down here at 5 feet, 6 feet, it's not. Anyway, just want to go over some vehicles real quick. Bring you the used cars and trucks, SUVs, right there to your phone or computer. So we're going to start off here. This gorgeous Porsche 2015, immaculate, about 49,000 miles on it. Really, really sharp. Beautiful inside and out, of course. Who would buy a Porsche like this and not take care of it? It's a Cayman S. So beautiful, beautiful Porsche here, 2015. Let's go across next door, or right next door here. We got a pre-owned Toyota Camry. Pre-owned Toyota Camry here, 2024, with almost 14,000 miles. And this is a Camry XLE, black on black. Let's go next. We got this super fast. This looks super fast, and I believe it. I heard that it is this Volkswagen Golf. Wow, little beast this is. A 2024 Golf R 2.0 turbo with 6,000 miles. Heard it was tuned up. This car will throw you back in the seat. Next door here, we got a Ford Explorer. It's another black on black, which is the big combo these days, right? Tinted windows, looks like about maybe a 20%. This sucker's got 100,000 miles on it. It's only about 15,000 bucks. I think we got it at $14,999 there. It's an Edge Sport. Sorry, I said Explorer. My bad. It's a Ford Edge. Okay, we got a Hyundai Kona here, all-wheel drive, little white Hyundai Kona, and this is a 35,000 mile vehicle, and I believe this is all electric. No, it's not electric. I'm sorry. I was thinking another car we had here was another Hyundai. It's gone. My bad. So we got this Hyundai here. It's nice and clean. We got this Kia. It's an SX Sorento with 34,000 miles. It's a 2022. It's got that like medium bright blue. Another Volkswagen here. We got a 2022 Volkswagen Taos SEL 1.5 4-cylinder with 37,000 miles. Got a Kia Telluride here, EX V6. Black on, actually, this one's black on off-white. Pretty nice. 2020 3.8 liter 6-cylinder with 70,000 miles. 2020 Kia Telluride. And we got this RAV4 Toyota. Nice Toyota RAV4 here. Nice chrome wheels. 2024 with 19,000 miles. 2.4 liter, the 8-speed automatic. It's a RAV4. Looking for a pre-owned or basically almost new Toyota RAV4. Maybe don't want to pay a full sticker. I'm not sure what their stickers are, so I'm not going to commit to that. But we got one here. I'm sure you'll save money. I would hope, from a new one, if that's what you're looking for. Got another Hyundai here. We are looking at a 2020 Tucson SCL, 2.5 liter with 20,000 miles. And we got this Trailblazer. Yeah, it says Trailblazer there. All-wheel drive RS. Not crazy about when they black out the lettering. I don't know why. Anyway, I'm old school. I like to see all that stuff. 2022 Trailblazer RS 1.3 liter. Actually, a 3-cylinder. 26,000 miles. Looks like it's got about a 20% tin on it. All right, I want to run through some trucks, some pre-owned trucks. Attention, all truckers looking for a truck, right? Let's see. We got. Let's just start. Just do a little rundown here. I'm just going to go through these here. So we got an E-Torque 1500 Ram, white, with the beautiful chrome wheels. We're looking at a Ram 1500. It's a 2023 Bighorn with 18,000 miles. And this has the 3.6. Plenty of power. We got a Ford F-150. Pre-owned Ford F-150. It's a 150 Platinum, as you see. Got the chrome handles, blah, 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 blah. It's got the key touch like Ford and Mercury and Lincoln Mercury were known for. It's a 2019 3.5 liter with 95,000 plus miles. You can get this one somewhere around the 20, well, it's right around $30,000. We got it at $29,999 over there in the window. $29,999. Got this 21 Ram, 58,000 miles, 1,500. Another beautiful one here. Got a 22 Bighorn, the 5.7 Hemi. 5.7 Hemi with a little over 30,000 miles. Can't see in there, but this one's really nice looking as well. Let's go over here. This one's got the tow hooks here. Another 5.7 Hemi. And we're looking at a 2021 5.6 Hemi with the Bighorn 1500 with 34,000 miles. Another 1500, black trim on it. Another Ram 1500 here. We got this one here. Another Hemi, 5.7 Hemi. This one is a 2021 with 56,000 miles. So we have plenty of pre-owned trucks, as you can see. We'll leave this one for sale. This Toyota Tacoma. However, not 100%, I believe. It is. I'm not 100%. No information available at the minute. These big boys. Got another one here, 1500 Hemi. Me-22s on it. It's got a darker tint. Can't see the sticker on it. Pardon me. Got this Chevy Colorado, a 2021 3.6 on a Colorado with 54,000 miles. Let's take a walk. We got some more. We got pre-owned Compasses. We got pre-owned Cherokees, Grand Cherokees. And we got plenty more Rams here. 21 Ram Laramie. It's a Laramie 5.7 liter with 56,000 miles. A Ram Classic here. I don't know the year. Sorry about that. I think it's a 20. I think it's a 22. Not 100%. No sticker on it. I'm just gonna walk through here. Just gonna do a little walk here through these here. Most of them are 21s, 22s. We got a couple 19s, I believe, in here. This one's got the lights on the top and everything. Another 1500 E-Torque. Some dark tint on this one. Bighorn. Pre-owned Cherokees. We got plenty of pre-owned Wranglers. We have a bunch of 2023 leftover Wranglers that you could save a boatload of money. I'm not talking $2,000, $3,000, $5,000, or probably more than 10, I believe, off of the MSRPs. 2023 Wranglers, never titled. They're still brand new. Walk by them here in a second. So, know anybody looking for a Wrangler? No one doesn't want to spend the sticker price? Well, they're going to save a lot off of these sticker prices. And here they are, right here. Big dollars off of these. Anybody wants any detailed information, just send me a PM. Again, the 23s here, we got too many. It's not like we have 3 or 4 or 5 of them. We got about 20 or more. So they got to go. There's other new vehicles coming in that have to take these slots. Brand new, never titled, 23s. Big deals. You don't believe me? Come try us. Turnersville Jeep, Dodge, Ram, Chrysler. Got some Wagoneers here. These are brand new. Gorgeous. And some Willys. We got everything in here. A nice 3500 heavy duty. Brand new. That's a big boy. 3500 heavy duty Ram here. We got the ProMasters. That's where we're at. We got the Dodge Chargers here. If you want to come hear it, you want to hear what the sound is for yourself, don't listen to the naysayers, because most people, when they hear it in person, say that it does sound a lot nicer in person. And yeah, try to get here before 4 o'clock. We're here till 6. And we'll be glad to help you out. And here's the Charger. I got a phone call. See you guys. Thanks.